Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
Menteri Ketenaga Social Welfare ke Sorkar Jelau bak poleng do haga arpulai terik unailar arhajar arpusau ulaya shimenta haga yuva badari arhajar arpusau bala penlong daga NCC Headquarters Shillong ha St. Anthony's College Shillong. Haga ni kejinyalang lasaki lang daga Director General of Police ka kong Ida Shisha Nongrang kabalalong kum kesembut kongsan u Major General Gagan Deep u Professor Himango Akshay Hewale badkit khot ke NCC. Kapang pedeng hagani ke jinyalang kalong ru halor ke jing persyai pait ba ban persya eu drug badia ke jing di penbuat.
As all of you might be aware, Meghalaya faces a serious threat to the lives, the future, the health, the safety of its citizens because of the burgeoning cases of trafficking of drugs and other narcotics. And it is a challenge that government alone will not be in a position to fight. We need each one of you to take it upon yourself that it is a choice between your future and that future being ruined today. On our part as a government and as a Department of Social Welfare, we have come up with innovative ideas, interfaces with the local community, and I'm happy that under Yuva Bhagidari, several novel initiatives have been undertaken, and I'm confident that you will be able to take this message to every family that we either destroy drugs and drug culture or the drugs will destroy us. It's a kill or be killed situation. As I could see the young faces here, I'd like to remind each one of you that you all are vibrant sources of energy. But like a river, that energy has to be channelized properly. Please take care of that fact that you channelize your energy properly. Because a river left to its own can destroy crops, can destroy paddy fields, can cause flash floods. But if you harness and channelize that river properly, it becomes a source of energy, of even a powerhouse. So I'd like to see each one of you turning into powerhouses because Meghalaya is such a young state. 65% of the population is under the age of 35. We have so much, as has been showcased on this platform today. We have talents in various arts, in various fields. Your NCC cadets from Shillong have themselves earned laurels at the northeastern level. That is the powerhouse we are capable of becoming. So finally, my message would be to each of our young people to always think creatively and think positively. I'd like to wind up with this quote. Take care of your thoughts, for your thoughts will turn into words. Take care of your words, for your words will turn into your actions. Take care of your actions, for your actions will turn into your habits. Take care of your habits, for your habits will turn into your character. Take care of your character, for your character will turn into your destiny.
A gift of token of love.